Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Python 3. 8+, the right DB client and network access. First actionable step, export credentials into environment variables so you never hard-code secrets. Then install the client package for your database and import it into your script. Once done, open a minimal connection snippet that reads credentials from env and attempts a simple select one. This verifies authentication and connectivity before you write any application logic. Next, you design how your code talks to schema and handles queries. Use parameterized queries every time because it prevents injection and keeps data types intact. For performance, make sure to use a connection pool or Python context managers so connections are reused and closed properly. Once you fetch rows, decide whether to map to DICs or to use an ORM for object models. Choose based on complexity, read/write patterns, and latency requirements to keep your code maintainable and efficient. Finally, you implement transactional safety and operational hygiene. Wrap multi-step writes in transactions and explicitly commit or rollback on exceptions so partial updates never persist. Use migration tools to evolve schema safely between environments and include roll-forward and rollback plans. For runtime issues, enable SQL and error logging at debug level temporarily to capture failing queries. If something goes wrong, check credentials, network, and the exact SQL trace first. Often a mismatch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.